Hello my friends, welcome to Talk to Me Tuesday for Tuesday, August 24th, 2021. This is Jennifer. I have the tiniest amount to show you guys today because I have been really busy but doing very little crafting. I think I mentioned to you guys before that I've been cleaning my house. I'm deep cleaning one section at a time, and I have just not been doing a lot of crafting. I did finish binding some of the quilts that had been donated, the tops that had been donated to Linus that I quilted. I did finish binding those and get those turned in. They're not mine and they're not y'all's, so I don't tend to show them in my videos. I have been doing like some paint touch-up and cleaning rugs and just stuff that's not super interesting for a Talk to Me Tuesday video, but is definitely like improving my quality of life. It's really nice to have everything so clean and fresh looking. What I have been doing, the little bit that I have been doing, is crocheting in the evenings here and there, and as you can see I haven't done a whole lot. I think the last time you guys saw this it was about here, so I've added a couple more stripes. I'm just doing 5 rows of each color and then changing colors. This is all Joann's Big Twist, and I'm enjoying it. It's fun, it's simple. I'm not overtaxing myself with it. I do it when I feel like it. I don't do it when I don't, and it's been fun to work on. And that is quite honestly about it. I have done some mending, but it's not very exciting, and I don't have any projects going on right now really because it's a little too hot to work in my garage after about 11 in the morning, and that is where all of my sewing stuff is. So right now I'm just keeping myself busy doing other stuff, and when we get a nice cloudy day I'll do some quilting, maybe some binding or something like that. But that's okay because I hopefully will be moving back into my sewing room, if not by the end of the year, then the very beginning of next year. And that is because when Sarah gets her own place again, I am going to take everything out of my sewing room. I'm going to clean it, I'm going to put a new floor in it, I'm going to paint the walls, and I'm going to rearrange all the furniture. So I will probably be using that as my Talk to Me Tuesday while I'm doing it, and then hopefully after that the Sojo will really kick back in again, and I can pull out some projects that have been languishing for the last couple of years and see what I have in store for me for 2022's craftiness. That is it for me today. You guys have a really wonderful week. I hope you have a crafty week. Stay cool, take care of yourselves, take care of the people you love, and I will see you next week. Bye.